today I'm gonna knock out this tower right there because I have to take out Bowser Jr. Take that. Oh, Tando! But there's still more. It's a good thing I always need extras. I tumbled him down, but that's not enough. Well, you can always get some. Take that! Okay. This is the final. Okay, there you go. Now we need this. And then now. Boom! Oh, wait, sorry, I forgot. Boom! Oh, some more! Well, I'm gonna get something. Oh, got it. And then now say goodbye. Boo boo. Oh, one more. One more, and then he's gonna go tumbling down. Oh, one more left. One more left. That is just a Jenga. I made it out of Jenga. And I did it! Make sure you smash that like button. And also, I need your help. Can you help me get to Can you help me get to 100K subscribers? Because I'm trying to reach that silver play button and hit that notification bells so you can see my 5 videos. Bye. And good night. I did this at night because this is my quick video right now. Okay. Now always subscribe to my channels and hit the notification bells right now. Because you want to get some new plushies, make sure you smash the like button. And if you do, I will like you and always see your epic videos. And also, you can always like my videos at YouTube, at TV or somewhere else. So goodbye. Yeah, and I love you. And also, you're always the best for subscribing to my channels and hitting the notification bells. Bye now. See you later.